Hello everyone. Let's read the question. So the image formed by concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. So these are the some nature of the concave mirror. So we need to find where should be the position of the object. Now we have given four options. So let's take the concave mirror here. So this is concave mirror where the reflecting side or the polished or the shining side is inward and outside is the rough surface. Now the center point is pole P. Next is P, C and F. Now from case KFC, you can remember that PFC, the sequence of pole, focus and center of curvature. Now, as we know in concave mirror, we have 6 conditions. So in the 6th one, last one, where we receive virtual image, virtual, erect and larger than the object, and the rest 5 we receive real and inverted image, right? So for this to obtain virtual image, we need to take object that is placed between focus and pole. So let's draw the ray diagram. First we take one ray that is parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Now that is parallel to the principal axis, that will pass through focus. Obviously, this is the arrow denoting the direction of the ray. Now, second ray we can take that is passing through the center of curvature. So, this is the center of curvature. We can take this as like this. So, when a ray of light is passing from center of curvature, it will return back to the same path. So, when we increase this line with dotted, so we receive that these 2 points are actually meet some point. Let's take, if this is object A, B, so we can take this object as A dash, B dash. Now from this ray diagram, you can see that the object height is AB, that is smaller than the image height, that is A dash, B dash. So we have found that the image is virtual as this is denoted by dotted line. That line appears to meet at this point. That's why image is virtual. Erect means if the object is in this direction, so image will be like this one. So this is upright or erect, and obviously this is larger than the object. So from this we can find that the position of the object, like this is the object. So what is the position of this object? That is focal length and pole. So that is position of the object should be between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. So these the keywords, focus and this is pole. This is focus and this is pole. So what is the position of the image? So here this is the image. This is the image. So what is the position of the image? So position of the image is obviously behind the mirror. And the nature of the image already it is given, that is virtual, erect, or we can say upright, and that is larger than the object, or we can write it as magnified. So which option is correct? So between principal focus and center of curvature, it's obviously wrong. At the center of curvature, this is the center of curvature. This option is also wrong. Beyond the center of curvature, this is the beyond center of curvature. That is wrong. Now between the pole of the mirror and the principal axis. So pole of the mirror and principal axis. Principal focus, that is between our object. So this option will be correct. So option D is correct choice. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.